Okay, so let's review our lesson last time. So, how to do the guitar position. Again, yung lower bout ng violin, dapat nandito siya, nakapatong sa lap natin. And hindi dapat nakaganito yung position ng violin or nakaganon. So, itong likod ng violin natin is naka-place lang siya here sa may chest natin. So, the right hand, let's do a C position. Then, yung four fingers natin, i-place natin siya sa under the fingerboard. Yan, para relax lang si right hand. Then, our left hand, ang rules natin is high fingers and low thumb. Nakatagilid na ganyan. Then, you will just place it sa may knot. Yan, itong linya na to. Then, the tip of the thumb, tapat siya dito sa may knot. Again, hindi dapat nakaganito si thumb or sobrang nakaganito. Dapat relax lang siya. And, ito naman, yung palad na kamay natin, hindi dapat siya nakaganyan or sobrang nakaganyan. Relax lang dapat. So, let's do our finger exercise. Let's do this one. Then, 1 and 2 naman. 2 and 3. Okay, isa pa. So, let's do this. One more time. Okay, so, pwede nyo rin gawin to sa iba't ibang strings. So, remember, ang position dapat ng fingers natin is naka-square siya. Hindi siya pwedeng nakaganyan. Dapat naka-square position yung fingers natin when we are pressing the strings. Ayan. So, that's all. See you po again next lesson.